Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in a long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.30. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next area of support after that, down here at $2.10. So 230 and 210 going to be the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're looking for just a very simplistic way to kind of gauge the big picture, and just want to apply the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, use that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price could stay up above 230, that would be a huge sign of power. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above the purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where some potential next battlegrounds at for this? Got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So I realize it's hard to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. Current key level of resistance right there at $2.45. If the price can push through there, the next overall battleground of potential resistance looks to be right up around $2.70. So if 245 can be broken, I'm not saying the price is going to shoot up to 270 within 10 seconds, but, technically speaking, there is some space between these areas of resistance. So the breakout could pick up that much more steam. But step number one, again, getting through 245. Anyway, slice it. Nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.